Welcome back, digital explorers, to Nature XDM. Today we're diving into the lush jungle of branding. Picture your brand as a peacock's dazzling plume in the digital wilderness. It's your unique call, your vibrant display of identity. Consider the tiger's audacious stripes or the leopard's enigmatic spots, they're the essence of their identity. Your branding? It's your unique signature, your bold stride in the vast online savanna. In the bustling bazaar of the digital world, your brand isn't just a logo or a tagline. It's an experience, a promise, a commitment that resonates with your audience, weaving your story into their daily lives. Like a chameleon adapting to its environment, effective branding adapts to its audience. It's not just about visibility, it's about connection. It's building relationships, fostering trust, sparking conversations, and creating memorable experiences. So, let's illuminate the digital terrain with branding as unique and captivating as nature's wonders. Let's leave a lasting imprint, a roar that echoes through the wild online wilderness. Enjoyed our adventure? Give us a thumbs up. Haven't joined our tribe yet? Click subscribe and let's explore together. And remember, stay wild, digital adventurers.